Hello friends, welcome to the Hero to Superhero series of RBWM. In this series, we are covering concepts and questions, objective questions, plus numericals. Wherever numericals are there, we are covering the numericals also. So, for all the subjects we are covering, all the 4 subjects, I am covering for RBWM, others for, other mentors are for other subjects, roughly the same time. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. Okay, you'll get free updates, all the free updates over here. So don't miss. Okay. So let's move on. See, today I'll be covering some important questions, various important questions, okay, which have been asked previously in last 2-3 years, based on the recollections from the students. Okay. So let's start. Which of the following statement is or are correct regarding the artificial intelligence technology part? Which of the following is are correct regarding the artificial intelligence, AI? AI, artificial intelligence or AI refers to software technologies that make a robot or computer act and think like a human being. The concept of AI and automation are the same. Only one, only two, both 1 and 2 are correct and both 1 and 2 are incorrect. So which of them is correct? Yes, what is the answer? First one is correct, you know it. First one is correct because it makes the computer or robot think like a human being. So that is true. Only problem is second one. The concept of AI and automation are same. Is it? Automation means related to this machine working of the machines automatically. But AI is a step ahead, much ahead. So this concept is not same. That is false. So only one is correct. Only one is correct. Okay. To improve ROA and reduce variability in performance, banks need to take a forward-looking windshield-based approach to performance management rather than backward-looking rear-view approach, mirror-based approach. This would include which of the following? So to improve the ROA, ROA is an important topic in your chapter number 3. Yeah, branch profitability, module A. Okay. So to improve the ROA, simple, such a big question I'll give you in simple line. Do we need to look forward or do we need to look backward? That's the only question to improve the ROA. Clear business and financial model across its portfolio of business and products to create roadmap for the ROA improvement. So what should I have? Strong framework and planning cell in the CFO's office that translates growth, pricing, profit and capital improvement initiatives into the plans and budgets. Periodic report and review mechanism that distinguishes between routine operational plans and strategic growth plans, and B is effectively tracks budget variance and converts them into actionable items, and D is all of the above. So that is the simplest answer, all of the above. All these are so big. Firstly, think over it. ROA, return on asset. How do you increase? What is return on asset? Return on asset means my net income divided by my assets. These assets should not include NPAs. Okay, they should not include NPAs. Clear? So, to improve the ROA, what do we need over here? Clear business and financial models. That is true. Strong framework and planning cell. That is also true. Periodic report and review mechanism. That is also true. So, the answer is D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Got it? D. Next. Among the following, which of the following accounts include a value additions like internet banking, mobile banking, tagged insurance cover, personal accident cover, sweep in, sweep out facility, other concessions like free remittances? So which accounts will have all these facilities? Internet, mobile, tagged insurance, personal accident, sweep in, sweep out, free remittances, saving, current, term, combination deposit, all of the above. See, 5 options are given over here. Is it for saving, current, FD, combination? What is combination? Combination means a combination of FD and saving or FD and current. Okay, that is the combination. You can call it sweep in, sweep out also. That's also a combination account. So which of them is correct? Which of them is includes all these? Means internet banking is given in which product? Is it given in savings? Yes, it can be. Current? Yes, it can be. FD? It can be. Even in FD, I can give you this internet banking. Combination deposit? Yes, I can give. So all of them, if you see, all of them. Mobile banking. Can I give this? Means, can I give mobile banking in savings, current, FD, combination? Yes. Can I give insurance cover? What do you mean by this tagged insurance cover? This is the sales pitch. What do you mean by sales pitch? Means if I am not able to sell savings account, I want to increase the sales of savings account. What do? I'll just open a cover, insurance cover, free. You open the savings account with me, I'll give you 1 year health insurance free. Similarly, open a current account, health insurance free. Open a FD, health insurance free. Open a sweep in, sweep out, health insurance free. So, insurance cover can be used as a sales pitch for selling any other product. Personal accident cover, sweep in, sweep out facility. Sweep in, sweep out means what? Sweep in is known as, suppose if I am having a FD and there is a check which has come in the clearing. So this FD gets broken and funds are transferred automatically to the savings account. So that is known as sweep in. Okay. Other concessions. So the answer is basically all of the above. I can use this for any of the products. I can use it for any of the products. Okay. Whichever I want to sell more, I'll give all these. Isn't it? ROI trees can be viewed using multiple lenses to manage performance across the various, which of the following dimensions. So ROI can be used for measuring the performance in which of the dimensions? By business unit, desktop, desk and product, by transaction, counterparty, customer type, by geography, all of the above. Where can I use ROI approach? I can use ROI approach in all of the above. All of the above, kindly note. I can use ROI approach in all of the above. Okay? All of these. Okay, business unit wise also I can do ROI, return on asset. What is ROI? Return on asset basically. How much am I earning upon how many are my loans, or what is the amount of my loans? Transaction, counterparty, I can do it for this also. Geography based, region wise, I can do the ROI. So all of these. An education loan for maximum amount, what amount is given for studies in India? Now, here kindly note, education loan, okay, I'll give you the option E. All of the any amount. Any amount. One more option I'll give you. Any amount. So how much can you give the education loan? 10 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 25 lakhs. Yeah. It is for any amount. Kindly note. Education loan can be given for any amount. Only the point is the bifurcation is related to your priority sector. For loans, For education in India, Bharat, I can give the education loan up to 10 lakhs for priority. This is only for priority sector, priority. Otherwise, if I want to give the commercial loan, commercial education loan, so I can give it for any amount. Bharat, priority. And outside, foreign, it is 20 lakhs. That is all under priority sector. This is under priority sector. Kindly note. Okay? It is under priority sector. Other than priority sector, if you want to give a loan of 80 lakhs to anyone, education loan, you can give. Nobody can stop you. Okay? Because after all, we are a bank. The government of India has allowed dash FDI in insurance sector. Insurance sector, how much is the FDI allowed? Foreign direct investment. This is a typical question, tricky one. It is 74%. 74% is allowed. Okay? 74%. Which of the following statements regarding NBFCs is not correct? See, question is not correct. Which of the question on this points are not correct over here? A company with the principal business of accepting deposits is not an NBFC. Principal business of accepting deposits is not an NBFC. NBFCs don't form part of the payment and settlement system and cannot issue checks and draw on itself. So it cannot issue the checks basically. So you want not correct. Okay. Deposit insurance scheme DICGC is not available to deposits for NBFCs unlike in case of banks. Okay. Which of them is not correct? Huh? Yeah. So NBFCs are regulated by RBI, have a minimum net owned funds of 200 lakhs. So which of them is not correct? Not. Okay. Yes, think over it. See, I'll go one by one. NBFCs are regulated by RBI, true. And minimum capital of 200 lakhs. So that is also true. Deposit insurance facility of DICGC is not available. Not available to NBFCs. That is also true. That is only available to your banks. NBFCs don't form the part of the payment and settlement system and cannot issue checks drawn on itself. Okay? Can they issue the check? Muthoot Finance, can it issue the check like a bank? So no. Okay, that is also true. Cannot, don't. A company with principal business of accepting deposits is not an NBFC. That is false. A company with principal business of accepting deposits is called as a NBFC. It can accept deposits. Now somebody says, sir, but that is called as bank. Bank is obviously there. Bank's business is accepting deposits. But other than bank, even NBFCs can accept the deposit. Okay? So, that is true. That is false. Okay? Now, let's solve one numerical. Following are the bank details. Insurance income is given as 15 crores. Salaries are given as 10 crores. NII is given as 10 crores. Capital is given as 80 crores. And you have to find out ROE, return on equity. What is ROE basically? ROE, return on equity. Yeah, it is ROE. ROE is basically return on equity. It means, what does it mean? It means your net income divided by your capital. There are 2-3 terms. It is there in your chapter branch profitability. Okay. What are the 2-3 terms? One is ROA. One is ROA, return on assets. ROE, return on equity. Then you have leverage ratio, leverage. Then you have NII, net interest income. Okay, then you have NIM. All these terms are there in your chapter, branch profitability. These all terms are there in your chapter. Each one has different formulae. ROA means net income upon assets. Net income upon assets. ROA, I give you just now. ROE means net income upon capital. Okay, upon capital. What do you mean by capital? The money which I have, own money. Okay, so ROA, ROE, leverage. What is leverage? Number of your total amount of assets upon capital. Assets upon capital. Okay, so what is my ROE then? My ROE becomes, see this, net income divided by capital. Okay, net income upon capital. So what is your net income now? How do you calculate the net income? Net income equals to your NII plus fee income or other incomes. Fee income, you can call it fee income minus NII plus fee income minus expenses. Your operating expenses, expenses. Okay. So now get this. What is NII given? NII is given as 10 CR. 10. Plus what is your fee income given? Insurance income. 15 crores. So 15 CR. Minus what is the operating expense? Operating expense means salaries. Only one is given. They can give you many, electricity, anything. Whatever is given, take it. Total them. So salaries are 10 CR. So what is your net income then? 15 CR. Upon capital. What is capital given? 80 CR. So my ROE becomes what then? ROE equals to, do it everyone, comment section. I want the answer in comment section. So it is 15 CR divided by 80 CR. Okay, 15 upon 80. Into 100 you have to do it. Why? Because you want it in percentage. Into 100%. Okay. So into 100. So that is equal to, do it everyone now. Everyone try this. Yeah. So the answer for this is 15 divided by, what is this? 80 into 100. So it is 18.75%. 18.75%. So that is the ROE, return on equity. Okay. ROE, return on equity. Kindly note this. ROA can be found out using net income upon capital. ROA can be found out using net income upon assets. Okay. So very important numerical and very basic. This time in exams nowadays they are asking all numericals. 25 marks numericals were asked in one of the exams. Okay, 25 to 30 marks. So that's why follow the numericals completely. Now before going, everyone kindly join the Adda 24/7 new batches. Okay. Always purchase through the app. Download the app first. Both available on Google also and App Store also. Both it is available. iPhone as well as this. You will get 1% extra discount in this. Okay. First, I would suggest join the JAIIB Increment Mahapack. Increment Mahapack is one of the best Mahapacks for you. In this, you get physical books on question bank and formula bank, study planner, all the physical books plus e-books. Then you get mock test, online live classes, recorded sessions, everything, 15 plus batches per subject. And icing on the cake is you have a triple validity offer. Means you buy for 5 months, you get it for 15 months. You buy for 9 months, you get it for 27 months. Triple validity. Plus discount. Discount is still going on. See this 80 plus 1. See, never forget the code Y432. Okay? 80% discount plus 1% extra through the app. Download the app, that's why I'm saying. So triple validity, 81% discount, e-books, 15 plus batches, physical books, everything. Join this ASAP. The new batch, okay, Elevate batch is just in the starting phase right now. Okay, it's just in the starting phase. So you can join this Elevate batch. If you join the Mahapack, you will get this Elevate batch also in that only. I told you 15 plus batches, you get it. But if you want to join the single batch, you can join this also, single batch. E-books, mock test, online live classes, recorded sessions, available. Everything is available. Okay. Plus, look at this. Buy now. Never forget the code. Code is very important. Y432, 81% discount. So don't miss the Elevate batch, and also don't